everyone! For these nails, I did an Aprés Dupe. If you'd like to see how I did these, keep watching. I already filed my nails off camera, and then I used the Dehydrator and primer from Morovan. I'm using Burano's 3-in-1 base coat as my builder gel. I saw both Slay by J and Femi Beauty use this as like an Aprés dupe, so I decided to try it. The tips I'm using are from Zule, and I'm using the XL stiletto, but I just cut off the tip to make it a coffin shape. This method is super easy. I think it took like less than 5 minutes to get all the nails on. After all the nails are on, I just put it in my bigger lamp for 60 seconds to make sure that they're fully cured. Since I cut the nails a little shorter, I had to do a little bit more shaving, but it still wasn't too much. Then I use my e-file to clean up the cuticle area, because for some of the nails, the gel spilled out. Now I'm just adding a layer of the base coat from Burano. This gel polish I'm using is a thermal gel, so when it's cold, it's a light blue color, and then when it's warm, it turns to a light pink. And I did 2 coats of that on each nail. For the thumb, middle finger, and pinky, I added the Beetles foil gel, and then I put these silver Christmas foils on there. For my rhinestones, I use the Makartt rhinestone glue and Burano top coat. Kiara the nails after I put cuticle oil on. And you can see like the tips are still kind of pink. And I think my cuticle oil was cold, which is why the cuticle area of the nail is blue. But I'm gonna insert some clips of how they look fully one color. So this is them in hot water. And the camera moved because I like burned my hand. But yeah, that's how they look fully pink. And then after that, I just stuck my hand in the freezer, and that's how they look blue.